our first CSX of the day. It's a 2-engine ethanol. This is called CSX M335. I will tell the information after the train. Let's get it. Never mind, it's a manifest! I mean, I kind of knew it was going to be a manifest. You know it's an ethanol when there's like a boxcar, or like a coal car, and then the tankers. But there were tanker cars right after the engine, so I kind of knew it was going to be a manifest. But at the same time, I also thought it was an ethanol. Like one of those right there. That should be behind the engine if it's an ethanol. But there wasn't, so I kind of knew it was a manifest. In the back of my head, at least. Look at that blue tanker car. Don't see those very often. Got some dumpsters coming. Orange. Never mind, we're switching over to blue dumpsters. Guys, if you want an awesome 200 subscriber special, I'm 30 subs away. So would you consider subscribing? It really means the world to me that you guys are watching this channel. And we're switching back to orange dumpsters. Train another one of these boring autoracks? I think it is. I don't know. Here, look inside the car, you can see. Yeah, there's cars in there. I just saw a few. Conrail. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Wait. There's actually cars in there. You can see them. Hang on. Wait for it. Where's the car? Wait for it. Right here. Look on the bottom. You can see the wheels. It's going to be very hard. It's going to be so hard to see in the video, but trust me, I can see them. I still can't believe I think those two engines were the start of another train. M335.
The M335 originates all the way up in Buffalo, New York, and heads all the way down to Newark, New Jersey, where it terminates. Everyone enjoy that. What an amazing two engines on the middle. I've never seen that before. Alright, enjoy the video.